1. Dulaglutide Trulicity. Anti-diabetic. Management of type 2 diabetes mellitus. Side effects: nausea, diarrhea, weight loss. 2. Exenatide beta-bidurion. Anti-diabetic. Management of type 2 diabetes mellitus. Side effects: hypoglycemia, diarrhea, nausea, injection site reactions. 3. Glympyride amaryl. Anti-diabetic. Management of type 2 diabetes mellitus. Side effects: none known. 4. Glipizide glucotrol. Anti-diabetic. Management of mild to moderately severe diabetes mellitus. Side effects: asthenia. 5. Rosiglitazone Avandia. Anti-diabetic. Treatment of type 2 diabetes mellitus. Side effects: edema, weight gain, increased cholesterol. 6. Insulin aspart Novolog. Anti-diabetic. Treatment of type 1 and type 2 diabetes mellitus. Side effects: injection site reactions, weight gain. 7. Saxagliptin Onglyza. Anti-diabetic. Management of diabetes mellitus. Side effects: hypoglycemia. 8. Repaglinide Prandin. Anti-diabetic. Treatment of type 1 and type 2 diabetes mellitus. Side effects: hypoglycemia, headache. 9. Linagliptin Tradjenta. Anti-diabetic. Management of type 2 diabetes. Side effects: hypoglycemia with sulfonylureas or insulin. 10. Liraglutide Victoza Saxenda. Anti-diabetic. Management of type 2 diabetes. Side effects: nausea, diarrhea, vomiting, hypoglycemia. 11. Metformin hydrochloride glucophage. Anti-diabetic. Management of type 2 diabetes mellitus. Side effects: diarrhea, malabsorption, nausea, asthenia, vomiting, flatulence. 12. Pioglitazone hydrochloride actose. Anti-diabetic. Management of type 2 diabetes. Side effects: edema, weight gain. 13. Sitagliptin phosphate Januvia. Anti-diabetic. Management of type 2 diabetes mellitus. Side effects: hypoglycemia. 14. Diphenoxylate HCl with atropine sulfate Lomotil. Antidiarrheal. Management of diarrhea. Side effects: abdominal discomfort, nausea, vomiting. 15. Metoclopramide hydrochloride Reglan. Antiemetic. Diabetic gastroparesis, prevention of nausea and vomiting associated with chemotherapy. Side effects: asthenia, somnolence. 16. Ondansetron hydrochloride Zofran. Antiemetic. Prevention of nausea and vomiting associated with chemotherapy and radiotherapy. Side effects: constipation, diarrhea, headache. 17. Promethazine HCl Phenergan. Antiemetic. Management of allergic rhinitis, motion sickness, nausea and vomiting, sedation. Side effects: somnolence, xerostomia. 18. Fluconazole diflucan. Antifungal. Treatment of vaginal, esophageal, systemic candidiasis, cryptococcal meningitis. Side effects: headache. 19. Ketoconazole Nizoral. Antifungal. Treatment of systemic fungal infections, seborrheic dermatitis, dandruff. Side effects: application site reaction with foam. 20. Nystatin oral Nistop. Antifungal, topical. Treatment of oral and gastrointestinal candidiasis. Side effects: none known. 21. Nystatin topical Nistop. Antifungal, topical. Topical treatment of cutaneous or mucocutaneous fungal infections. Side effects: none known. 22. Atorvastatin calcium Lipitor. Antihyperlipidemic. Treatment of hyperlipidemia, hypercholesterolemia, prevention of myocardial infarction. Side effects: myopathy, diarrhea, headache, nasopharyngitis. 23. Colsevelum Welchol. Antihyperlipidemic. Primary and familial hyperlipidemia, type 2 diabetes mellitus. Side effects: constipation. 24. Ezetimibe Zetia. Antihyperlipidemic. Reduction of total cholesterol, LDL, and ApoB. Side effects: none known. 25. Fenofibrate trichlorlipophen. Antihyperlipidemic. Hypercholesterolemia, hypertriglyceridemia. Side effects: hyperhomocystinemia. 26. Gemfibrozil Lopid. Antihyperlipidemic. Treatment of types 4 or V hyperlipidemia. Side effects, indigestion. 27, Candesartan Atacand. Antihypertensive. Treatment of heart failure and hypertension. Side effects, hypotension. 28, Levastatin Mevacor. Antihyperlipidemic. Treatment of primary hypercholesterolemia, prevention of coronary heart disease. Side effects, none known. 29, Niacin Neospan. Antihyperlipidemic. Management of hypercholesterolemia, reduction of myocardial infarction risk, reduction of atherosclerosis. Side effects, flushing, headache. 30, omega-3 acid ethyl esters Loveza. Antihyperlipidemic. Reduction of triglycerides. Side effects, diarrhea. 31, Pravastatin sodium pravachol. Antihyperlipidemic. Management of hyperlipidemia, reduction in the risk of myocardial infarction and coronary death. Side effects, none known. 32, Rosuvastatin calcium crestor. Antihyperlipidemic. Management of hyperlipidemia, adjunct to diet to slow atherosclerosis progression. Side effects, arthralgia. 33, Simvastatin Zocor. Antihyperlipidemic. Management of hyperlipidemia, reduction of total cholesterol and LDL. Side effects, none known. 34, Amlodipine Besylate Norvasc. Antihypertensive. Treatment of hypertension, chronic stable or vasospastic angina. Side effects, peripheral edema, pulmonary edema. 35, Sacubitril valsartan Entresto. Antihypertensive. Treatment of heart failure with reduced ejection fraction. Side effects, hypotension, hyperkalemia, increased serum creatinine. 36, Atenolol Tenormin. Antihypertensive. Management of hypertension, angina pectoris. Side effects, bradyarrhythmias, cold extremities, dizziness, fatigue, hypotension, depression.